Thank you so much for watching. Perhaps you do not know that every failure brings with it the seed of an equivalent success. And from You Can If You Think You Can by Norman Vincent Peale, it says, always remember that to every disadvantage there is a corresponding advantage. So, every time we fail, every time there's a trial, every time there's a tribulation, every time we are at a disadvantage, there is something that we can benefit from. You know, seeds, they grow a little bit at a time. But when you're ready to harvest, if you've planted enough of the good seeds, you get a bountiful harvest. And they go through all kinds of storms to get to where the harvest is. Sometimes it's, I've seen plants go through bitter cold and come out on the other side and be alive when I thought they were going to be dead. I've seen plants like corn get blown over in a windstorm and still produce a good crop. I've seen, tomatoes that I thought were totally dead come back to life through, one little root, or, through putting out roots off of their stem, because they just grab onto anything that they can, and they somehow made it, and then produced a crop of tomatoes, and produced mini seeds. So, just remember that in your life when you're going through all of those disadvantages or trials or afflictions, whatever you want to call them. For every one of those, there's a seed of success, of benefit, of advantage. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and see you next time.